It's day 7 of the 12 days of Christmas, and today I'll be sharing some holiday cocktails and mocktails. We are just a couple weeks away from an annual Christmas party that I host for my best girlfriends every year. It's my way to dote on them and show them my love and appreciation for their friendship, and we always have a really great time. Sometimes I'll change up the cocktails. Normally, I'll make a Godiva chocolate martini. That is basically all of their favorites that I'll make. However, it turns out that Godiva stopped making the chocolate liqueur. So that was kind of a bummer. And of course, you can make a chocolate martini with other chocolate liqueurs, but there was just something about that Godiva chocolate liqueur that made it taste just like a party in your mouth. um, so I decided to change things up this year. So, ladies, if you're watching, there's a spoiler alert here because I'm going to be sharing the signature cocktails for the party this year, which is going to be a peppermint martini and an espresso martini. We're going to start with a peppermint martini. Both of these cocktails are very easy, and we're going to start with this one because it's the one I'd like to taste first. So here we go. Before I share the recipe, I wanted to share some tips on your cocktail presentations. To start, pull out and use your gorgeous glassware. It's the holiday season, and now is the time to use it. Even something as simple as a stem charm added to a martini glass will help your guest feel extra special. Okay, on to the drinks. Today's first cocktail is a peppermint martini. The recipe calls for white chocolate liqueur, half and half, vanilla vodka, and McCormick's Pure Peppermint Extract. Add some peppermint dust to the rim of your glass for extra flavor and gorgeous presentation. Start by adding ice to your shaker. I prefer crushed ice so those wonderful shavings can land in the cocktail. Next, you'll add 4 ounces of white chocolate liqueur, followed by 2 ounces of half and half and 2 ounces of vanilla vodka. Then at the end, you'll add a 1/4 teaspoon of McCormick's Pure Peppermint Extract. Give everything a good shake in your shaker and pour, and you are ready for quite the peppermint treat. And this recipe actually yields 2 servings, so I'm pouring 2 servings into a very large martini glass for the sake of the presentation. Doesn't that look yummy? Who's going to join me for a sip? Now, for the mocktail version of this, I was actually planning on making you one, but I don't have any cream soda. You're going to switch out the vanilla vodka for cream soda. But I'll have the full recipe down in the description box below for you. I'll be making my kids the mocktail version of this because they love peppermint everything. So you'll have to let me know if you try it. Next up is an espresso martini. Now, I am not a big espresso martini fan, but most of the girlfriends in my girlfriend club are. So I have made one this year, and this one I used a new cream liqueur from a lady that I met a couple weeks ago at Total Wines, and it's a Haitian liqueur. It's a recipe that her grandmother came up with. I've tried it. It's absolutely delicious and very easy to make. To make this drink, I'm using the LS cream liqueur that I was just telling you about, but you could probably use any cream liqueur, vodka, and espresso. Add ice to your shaker and brew 1 ounce of espresso. While that's brewing, you're going to add 1.5 ounces of the LS cream liqueur. Next, add in your espresso. And after that, you'll add in 1 ounce of vodka, shake, and pour. Super easy, super delicious. To finish things off, I'm going to top this martini with some dark chocolate shavings. And there she is. Are we feeling festive yet? Okay, so we've talked about leveling up your glasses or your serveware when you're presenting your drinks. And now I am ready to try this peppermint martini. I'm going to put a little extra bling on it there, and we're going to get this party started. Now, for the record, this is a 2 serving glass, all right? So You guys, if you've been here for a long time, you know I've had these glasses forever. I'm gonna taste this real quick. Oh yeah, oh yeah. It might be 2 servings, but guess what? I don't have anything else to do today. I'm crocking dinner already. Kids will be home later. And Mama might just have herself a little party of wine. um, so I hope you enjoyed this today. Please enjoy responsibly, and I'll see you guys this weekend on Sunday for the virtual movie night. I'm gonna see you on Monday. Monday will also not have a video upload because I'm gonna have a live Q&A on Monday evening, and then Tuesday's gonna be the finale, just like that. So I hope you're having a great time. I love doing this for you guys. And then even after the 12 days of Christmas, I still have some holiday styling to do. I still haven't even started with our new outdoor deck space. There's still some more things to share. So just because I won't be loading up content for 12 days in a row, Mama needs a break. There will still be more Christmas content for you, okay? That's it. I will see you tomorrow. Until then, cheers and love and peace.